mechanism of the respiration in human being. Yesterday we learned about the pathway of air into the human being. See, nostril, nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, lungs, blood. Yesterday I told you. Now, mechanism of the respiration in human being. Air enter into the respiratory organ or in a lungs. See, the air it enter. What air it enter? Oxygen it enter into the lungs. See, the oxygen it enter at the time. The air it diffused into the alveoli air sac. In the lungs there are large number of bundles of millions of trillions of air sac are present. The air sac exchange the gases. Now you see here, this is a respiratory organ in human being. There are two stages of the respiration. One is the inhalation. Another one is the exhalation. Inhalation means the air enter inside the respiratory organ. Oxygen enter into the respiratory organ. That is the inhalation or inspiration. Inspiration. Exhalation means in a body too, many cells too collecting waste material like carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide is expelled outside the body. That is called the exhalation or expiration. Exhalation or expiration. Now, mechanism of the respiration. See what the mechanism of the respiration. Just you observe, you breathe air. You breathe, swallow that air. When you breathe that air, at the time, the chest portion it expanded. The chest portion it expanded. See, this and all what that one? Chest wall. Chest wall say what happen? Increases in size. Increases into the size. Why it increasing in size? Here inside that lungs there are more air pressures, so that only the chest portion it expanded. Here this is the respiratory organ. No, the respiratory organ protected for the rib bones, rib cage. What cage? Rib cage. See, in the rib bones connected one to others, spine like that edge part of the ribs are connected into the chest cavity. Okay, now see here, the air it enter. What is the air enter? Oxygen. The air it enter into the trachea. C-shaped cartilaginous trachea. The trachea open into the bronchi. Trachea open into the bronchi. See, when air push into the trachea to bronchi, branch is connected into the large number of branchioles. What is one? Branchioles. Each branchioles connected for number of alveoli, air sac are present. Each branches connected for the large number of alveoli, air sac are connected. This air sac absorbing carbon dioxide and leaving for the carbon dioxide. The air sac what the function? When absorb for the oxygen and leaving for the carbon dioxide. See, when air it can breathe, the chest portion it became dome shape. What shape? Dome shape. Why the chest portion it became dome shape? Because of air pressure or increases. When you breathe, swallow that air, the chest portion it expanded. No, at that time in the stomach and chest portion divided. The divided portion is called the diaphragm. The chest portion and the stomach it divided. At the time there you can appear for the diaphragm. What that one is? Diaphragm. The respiratory role into the man, diaphragm. The respiratory role in woman, ribs. The respiratory role in a woman, ribs. The respiratory role in a man, diaphragm. Okay, see here, this is here lungs. See that air it enter into the both lungs. What air? Oxygen. Okay, see here. Now we studied about the structure of the lungs. There are pair of lungs present into the chest cavity or thoracic cavity. The lungs are surrounded by the thin membrane called a pleura. The lungs are surrounded by the thin membrane called a pleura. The pleura filled with a fluid is called the pleura fluid. Pleura fluid. The pleura fluid, what is the uses? Protected for the lungs from injuries. Protected for the lungs from the injuries. What fluid? Pleura fluid. Okay. See, there are two lungs now, right lung and left lung. Right lung slightly larger than the left lung. Right lung divided into two lobes, left lung divided into the three lobes. Okay, now see here. Here inside that lungs, number of air sac alveoli are present. This alveoli, what the function mean? Absorbing air, diffuse the air. What air is diffused? Oxygen is diffused, carbon dioxide diffuse out. Diffuse in, diffuse out. What diffuse in? Oxygen diffuse in, carbon dioxide diffuse out. See which organ it is that diffuse air and diffuse out? Alveoli air sac. What that one? Alveoli air sac. Okay, see here. Inside that lung, a large number of air sac, that is alveoli, exchange gaseous. Exchange the gaseous. Okay, now see here. This is the what that one? Gases exchange between lung and blood capillaries. Gases exchanges between lung and blood capillaries. This is called the exchange gaseous. See, this is alveoli air sac. What sac? Alveoli air sac. In the alveoli air sac, large number of capillaries network. What capillaries network? Blood capillaries network. Blood capillaries network. See here, oxygen is diffused in. Inside that number of RBC. What that name RBC? Red blood cells. What cells? Red blood cells. See, here oxygen diffused in the red blood cell. At the same manner, inside that red blood cell they have a carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide diffuse outside the alveoli air sac. Carbon dioxide diffuse out alveoli air sac. So this is what this one? Gaseous exchanges. Gaseous exchanges into between lungs and blood capillaries. Okay, can understood? Okay, thank you.